Hey everyone, this video is about Extruded Cut. Very similar to Extruded Boss Base that we've been doing. Extruded Cut is located up here in the Features tab. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and just like with Extruded Boss Base, we're then going to select a face that we want to draw a shape on. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this top face, and we can see it takes us into the Sketch tab, where we can then select a shape, which I will do that, and then I'm going to draw a shape. And then when you click Exit Sketch, what you're going to see is, instead of like with Extruded Boss Base, you would see the shape would extrude up and out. Instead, it's going down through the part. Now, a lot of the time, what you'll notice is it's going to cut all the way through the part. Now, if you know exactly how tall your part is, you could just type it in right over here if you want to cut all the way through. And there's a few other things you could do. For example, where it says blind, if you click on that, you could select through all. And what that will do is that will just automatically cut all the way through that part. And obviously, if you don't want to cut all the way through the part, you could do that also, or you could just type in a number over here. If you don't want to go all the way through the part, as you can see here. But in this case, I want this to go all the way through. So I could just drag it all the way through like that, or I could just go through all, and that'll take it all the way through. So I'm going to green check. And just to be safe, I'm going to rotate around to make sure that it did go all the way through. And it looks great. So that is a quick video on Extruded Cut.